안녕하세요. 림페시 Singapore. 남자입니다. 네, 안녕하세요, 여러분들. Okay, so today I'm gonna share with you guys my top 3 anti-hair loss secrets that I have proven to really massively reduce my hair loss. So, okay, just look at my hair. I'm 45 years old. No receding hairline, no M shape, and people say my hair looks like I'm in my 20s, right? Now this is not by accident, and some people say that this, you simply have better genes than other people. No, that's not true, because in my family we have genetic hair loss. So my younger brother, who is 1 year my junior, wears he perpetually wears the McDonald's sign right here on his head. McDonald's, all the way up here like this. That's my younger brother, not my elder brother. So my sister-in-law, she always says, "Oh man, the elder brother becomes the younger brother right now," saying that I look younger than my younger brother, right? So that goes to show how important hair is to overall youth and vitality. Okay, so there was a period of time where I was shedding hair a lot. Like when after you shower, you just have to look at your shower cap, your drain filter. You know how much hair you're losing. That was a time I was losing a lot of hair. That really sounded the alarm bell. So I started to do a lot of research. So of course, the first thing I do, which is the simplest thing I do, is to go for a good anti-hair loss shampoo. Now I tried many different anti-hair loss shampoo, but so far this works best for me. From Nutrilite, the shampoo and the conditioner. Now basically, after using the shampoo and conditioner, I noticed a dramatic drop in the amount of hair loss, but there is still hair loss because the shampoo only solved one of the 3 parts of the reason for losing hair. So one of the reasons for losing hair is really the pores and everything get clogged up, and basically your scalp gets really unhealthy. So you need anti-hair loss shampoo with ingredients like caffeine and stuff to reactivate those pores and start your hair growing, or to stop your hair from dropping. Okay, but this is only one of 3 parts. Because after using this product, I find that my amount of hair loss reduced, but it did not stop. So then I began to do more research, and then I came upon this. I covered this report, which says that Korean people eat a lot of kimchi, right? And so Korean people have very good hair. And then they made further research, and they found that, I covered that in this video, that eating massive amounts of kimchi not only stops hair loss but reverses balding. Well, that's mind-blowing. I eat a lot of kimchi. Okay, so that's good news. So maybe I've been doing the right thing accidentally all this while. So then I wanted to research the science behind why and how kimchi stops hair loss. So after a lot of research, I found the answer: gut bacteria. Probiotics. It's because the probiotics in kimchi, because kimchi is fermented and there's a lot of probiotics in kimchi, somehow activates the gut bacteria, and then it's amazing how something on top is affected by something all the way down in the bottom. If you don't have healthy gut bacteria, well, it's amazing how big a role gut bacteria play in healthy hair growth. Wow, I'm losing my train of thought. See, so then I realized that, then I don't have to eat massive amounts of kimchi. I just have to eat probiotics. So I started taking Nutrilite Probiotics. Guys, you can find this product in my link. You can help my channel by buying from my link. So I've been taking this probiotic, just a tube like this in powder form, day and night. And you know what? My hair loss, like from here, it got halved, and then from here it got halved again. Amazing. I think right now I'm losing like the normal amount of hair every day. Like everybody loses hair, okay, right from the beginning. There's no such thing as you're not losing hair anymore. It doesn't that doesn't happen, but you can cut it down to the normal level. And right now I think I'm at the normal level, because when I check my shower drain cover, really it's just that few strands of hair, which is very normal. Everybody loses those amount of hair, right? So probiotics, strangely and surprisingly, does a lot to help you keep your hair, okay? And finally, it's testosterone. Now, I covered it in this video here. See, massive amounts of testosterone actually affects something in your pore that makes it stop producing hair. Which is why you see those big massive guys in the gym, they're usually skinhead or completely bald, right? Okay. So this is scientifically proven. You can Google it yourself. Testosterone really just stops your hair from growing. Okay, give you beard, and then give you a skinhead beard big look. So that fierce look. That's the testosterone look, not this. This is the soft boyish look. This is not the testosterone look. Okay, so if you want the testosterone look, well, then you have to lose the hair. You want this hair, then you can't have the testosterone look. I don't even have mustache and beard. I can never have one. It doesn't come out. So the thing is, if you are serious about keeping your hair, you want to keep your body building activity to a certain level where it doesn't, where you don't start losing massive amounts of hair. Now that you're gonna have to find that balance yourself. There's no scientifically proven way of measuring that, but you're gonna have to find that balance yourself. So yep, guys, that's my top 3 tips, top 3 anti-hair loss tips. What about you? What do you do to keep your hair? Share with us in the comments below. Talk to you guys next time. Annyeong.